Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Pinnacle in bright white. With adaptive cruise control, 360 surround view camera system, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, fan cam interior camera, panoramic sunroof, seat back video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 55224A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.